Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And as you have seen down in the title of the video, I'm going to show you how to use the Paytm app. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Miracle Dingdo, and please do not forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so that you'll not miss my new videos. And if you like the video, please leave a thumbs up. And now we will get to the main part of the video. Okay, in the Paytm I have opened now. First you create the account and enter the mobile number which is registered to the bank, not just a number but which is registered to the bank. And here Paytm password. The Paytm password, you need minimum 5 characters, that is one with numbers, also with alphabet too. And then email ID is optional. It's up to you whether you want it or not. You have to make proper password so that it will be strong. That's what it needs. And then let's go to the next part. And as I've already have an account, first I just need to log in. To log in, I have to register my number, the number which I registered to the bank. Okay, and then my password. So I'm going to log in. Yeah, so now this page come up, and let's go back. Just click the back button and we'll go back. Yeah, so first you'll get this pay. Suppose if you want to pay in the shop by scanning, you can scan or you can enter the mobile number. I'm so sorry, that's my leg and it looks weird. Payments. This is more like a passbook. This is passbook. It's similar to the passbook which you get from the bank. Now you can see how much money do you have in your Paytm wallet, and these they will show you that where have you spent anything at all, and this is the cash. So now let's go to UPI. There, suppose if you have any app which linked to any bank, like SBI Bhim app, where there you can transfer money, you can do other things also. If you want me to show how to use the Bhim app, you can comment down below. I will show you in the next video. Now for KYC, I have applied for KYC. They just asked my Aadhaar card, that's all. I don't know when will they contact me. Yeah, now you need, when you add money, means you'll add to the wallet from your bank account to your Paytm account. So these are the steps. While adding money, you just click how much amount you want to add and then add money. Since I have registered my card ATM, now I'm going to delete my ATM card details to show you what are the details they are going to ask you to enter. So I select the debit card. First, the card 16 card number you have to you have to enter, and then the month, the year. Sometimes you have those expired date of your card, and then CVV, the 3 numbers at the back of your ATM card. There you'll find the CVV code and you can enter that. And next, it will refer you to the next page where you will receive the OTP number, one-time password. You will receive it in the registered mobile number and you need to enter it. After entering the OTP password, just click confirm OTP password, and then it will automatically add money to your Paytm wallet, and you will get the message that it's been deducted from your bank account and it is added to Paytm wallet. So that is how it works, and is simply very easy to use. Okay, now I don't know what's this. I've never used this. so you can explore later on. Okay, after that we have money transfer. Suppose if you want to transfer to someone else, you can just enter the bank account number and the bank details of another person, and then it's good to go. Yeah, if someone wants to pay anything to you or they want to transfer to you, you have this QR code. They can just, if they have Paytm, they can just scan this code and it will go to your account, and they'll add the money, like how much they want to send to you, and you will get the amount in your Paytm account. Okay, so now I'll show you how to recharge your mobile number. First you need to add your number out there, then current operator. The moment you add your number, automatically it will show there whether it's a Vodafone, whether it's Docomo, whatever, from which part of India or from which part you're from, and you can enter the amount there. You can even browse the plan, like what plans is it available for your number, and you can check there. You have best offer, full talk time, what are availability there, internet pack. You can choose anyone, whether it's 2G, top ups will be there, special recharges will be there. You can do anything, whatever you want. So right now I'm going to show you how I recharge my account. Okay, so I click there for just 10 rupees. Okay, now if you proceed to Paytm, it will show you to the next page where you will get some offers. See all these things, rupees cashback, something like that. And if you don't want this page to show, if you want to go directly to your transaction page, then go back and click here, fast forward. It will go directly to the place where you recharge your account. So my account is recharged automatically because I already have money in my wallet. As you have seen now, the money from my wallet has been deducted 10 rupees. Okay, that's easy to do. I keep money in my wallet because it is easy to travel, because in cab and all they accept Paytm, and you don't want to exchange change with the drivers and saying I don't have change and searching for that. It's not that easy to do. So this is better way to do. And even if you don't have this money in the wallet, it's nothing to worry about, because I'm going to show you if you don't have money in your wallet how to do. First, click the mobile recharge, and then suppose now I don't have enough money if I want to do it for 1000. Okay, I'll try to recharge for 1000. I'll just show you. Yeah, I'll add the 1000 and then I'll proceed to pay. Yeah. Click again. Okay, so this page will come, like how you add money into your Paytm wallet. It is the same like that. You have to I have to enter my card number and then expiry date, with month, which year, and then CVV code, and then you have to do this exact same thing like how you did for the adding of money into your wallet. And so thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this is very helpful to you, and if it is helpful, then please leave a like, and please do come back to my channel. I have many other things to tell you, and if you have more questions about it, please comment down below. I'll get back to you. Please do watch my other videos too. Thank you so much. Bye.